Okay, this video is going to be about the gear chest plate display. The robot build itself will be the same as the build video that I did for the color wheel Pogot. This particular one, you just make a different faceplate and set it in there. It's going to drive just the same. Basically, there's this frame piece. It prints flat on the printer this way with supports enabled for this lip. Then you just peel that off so that it can fit in there. As far as the gears go, there's one file that has all four of the gears, the large gears and the small center gear, the sun gear if you will. And then there's a separate drive disc, which as you can see is stepped, so it goes through the hole like that. And then you carefully glue that post just onto that center gear. And there should be enough play, if you've done it right, so that when this rotates, then this gear rotates. There's a small post, which is used in the color wheel and the Moire one, that you glue into here. And that drive post is going to connect with this gear, which is up on the main frame of the robot. It's being turned by the walk motor. And you can see it has a little post. And so the little post that sticks out here, these two line up, and that's what engages to spin the gears on the front. The gears themselves print flat, no supports required. I did print the gears in a solid, and I also printed them at a higher resolution. I think it was 0.16 or something like that instead of my typical 0.2. But that's pretty much it. Oh no, there is one more part, and I don't think I have it here to show you, but we can see once the gear is on how this post sticks out. There's these little caps. I'm going to make sure I get that file up on Thingiverse, but there's these caps that you can glue on if you want, but frankly they snap on quite tightly, and when they're all the way down the gear should still be able to spin freely. So, and they just keep the gear captive so that you don't lose them. Don't lose them when you're playing with the robot. You can see these gears all miss each other. There's no driving going on there. They're all driven by the center sun gear, like so. And of course, print them in brightly colors with colored backgrounds. Make it as attractive as possible. But other than not having a cap here to show you, that's the complete build. You just assemble this and you can put that right onto your original Pogot build, and you're ready to go.